A cozy rainy night. Emily and Jack sat on the couch, watching the rain outside. The room was warm and cozy, with soft candlelight. "Remember our first date?" Jack asked. "Yes," Emily said, smiling. "You took me to a cafe. The coffee was bad, but the view was nice." Jack laughed. "I wanted to impress you." Emily nudged him playfully. "You did. Especially when we walked in the rain." The rain got louder, sounding like music. Jack hugged Emily tighter. "What would make this night perfect?" Jack asked. "Hot chocolate," Emily said. Jack smiled and went to the kitchen. Emily closed her eyes, listening to the rain. Jack returned with 2 hot cups. They sipped their chocolate, feeling happy and warm. The rain kept falling, but Emily and Jack didn't care. They were happy together, in their cozy little world.